I wonder, is this an incident?
This incident happens often, you know.
Yes, it happens a lot.
That's right. For Sakuya, no matter how many times they meet, it doesn't bother her.
Sakuya! Shake!
Her dogness score is a little higher than human, Sakuya.
Yes, a little bit.
Alright. Now, all that's left is cleaning the floor. I'm heading out for a bit of shopping. If it's a souvenir, it'll be the usual. Delicious tea, snacks.
Sakuya, that's not a bag.
Oh?
Both of you, thanks for your hard work. I poured you some tea.
Thank you.
Here, for dog Sakuya-san too.
Thanks.
She's a dog, and yet she has a cat's tongue.
I'm borrowing this.
Don't take it.
Oh?
I'll have you leave that book.
Chief Maid.
I wonder how long you'll be able to dodge.
Wow, there are more knives than normal.
Eve, oh.
Hold still.
A dull Damaku like that can't catch me. Impossible. I'm sure I evade all the Damaku without slipping up. Huh? Wait. Surely this doesn't count, right? This small knife?
Though it's small, a pew is a pew, you know.
The STG world is really strict.
Tea while viewing Sakuya's delicious thighs is surely the best.
So Remy has a leg fetish. This Sakuya here.
I'll take the cup for you.
Legs are just a decoration. A pervert wouldn't understand that, you know. Fluffy.
Yeah.
She came. Gow! I'm going to eat you! Oh-ho! Sakuya's breasts! Fluffy! Fluffy!
Furry.
Huh? Somehow, I can't sleep. Sakuya! Sleep next to me! It's your job, right?
Certainly.
Please leave it to us.
Can't sleep.
So, for Remy, which Sakuya is better?
No matter which Sakuya, to me, they are both special beings. Because
dog is only one, right? Because it's dog.
die like a dog!
I'm the bestest.
And just what are you the best at?
At bed. I'm actually the worst.